Hello, everyone. My name is Cathie Wood. I am CEO and CIO of ARK Invest, and I would like to share with you our Big Ideas 2025, at least my takeaways from them. Our analysts have done an amazing job. I think this is our best one yet.
Cathie Wood, the CEO and CIO of ARK Invest, presents the Big Ideas 2025 report, outlining the key technological innovations expected to drive significant economic growth and investment opportunities in the coming years. ARK Invest's investment philosophy centers on identifying and investing in disruptive innovation. They believe that innovation is the primary driver of economic growth and that understanding these technological shifts is crucial for long-term investment success. The Big Ideas report is an annual endeavor to highlight the key areas where ARK sees the most transformative potential. Cathie Wood emphasizes the concept of innovation platforms. These are technologies that act as foundational layers upon which numerous other innovations and applications can be built. Investing in these platforms provides exposure to a broad range of potential future growth. Many of the big ideas are not isolated advancements, but rather convergences of multiple technologies. The synergistic effects of these convergences often lead to exponential growth and unexpected breakthroughs. Before we delve into the video, if you want the latest crypto news, market updates, and expert insights from the top minds in the industry, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead, and never miss an opportunity in this ever-changing world of the financial market. Thank you for subscribing to our channel.
AI all the time. AI has been the big story for the past 2 years, and it's still the big story. In fact, it is the biggest catalyst to all of the innovation taking place out there. It is the reason that the world seems to be speeding up. And I'll just give you a few examples of how quickly things are happening. AI-inspired movement, and that's robotics generally. We believe that humanoid robots will soon be upon us. We will not be surprised to see them walking around our businesses and maybe walking around our homes after that, trying to take all the drudgery out of day-to-day work. We think this is going to be a $26 trillion business, ultimately, half in the home and half in manufacturing. And the developments here are, once again, because of artificial intelligence. In fact, just like autonomous robotaxis, we've got a convergence of 3 technologies that are driving both humanoid robots and robotaxis forward. Robots themselves, energy storage, so battery technology, and artificial intelligence. Those 3 technologies converging are creating all kinds of opportunities. And humanoid robots, I think, I will tell you, while full self-driving took a lot longer than we expected, humanoid robots are developing faster than we expected because of the expertise that has evolved around full self-driving. It's the 3 same technologies converging. So we're pretty excited about that. And, you know, humanoid robots, we have a sense of how much productivity they will introduce. We have a sense because we actually have old-fashioned robots in our homes already. So washing machines. Before washing machines, believe it or not, people spent a lot of time washing clothes. And with the washing machine, the time savings are now something like 85 or 90%. We think the same will be true for many other household chores. Importantly, food preparation and cleanup in the home. So that's going to be pretty exciting. And on the manufacturing front, we've already seen robotics in action. The assembly line 100 years ago saved 85% plus of the time to manufacture one car. So we're familiar, it's just all of this now is speeding up thanks to the convergence of robotics, energy storage, and artificial intelligence. And then we'll jog over to another part of the big ideas that I know many people enjoy, and that is about crypto assets or digital assets. And you'll see how we get to our base case for the Bitcoin price and our bull case. Many people know us for our bull case, $1.5 million, and we actually think the odds have gone up that our bull case will be the right number because of what is becoming the institutionalization of this new asset class. So many institutional investors are now looking at Bitcoin and thinking that they need to add it to their asset allocation because its return profile looks so much different and its risk profile looks so much different from all of the other assets in their portfolios. And then in another section of Big Ideas, you'll see stablecoins. And I do think it is quite a surprise to learn that stablecoins in total, the transaction value of all of them is roughly, or was last year, $15 trillion. That was more than either Visa or MasterCard. And by the end of the year, the run rate was nearly double that, $30 trillion. Now, when we say that, I want to make sure you understand that this is transaction value. There are very large transactions taking place with stablecoins. Transaction volume, or the number of transactions, Visa and MasterCard still have many more transactions, but the value that is ramping through the digital asset ecosystem as decentralized finance takes off, or another way of saying it, the internet financial system takes off, that is scaling tremendously in a way that I don't think people really understand. So we wanted to highlight the difference between that and the stable coins in the context of Visa and MasterCard. One other thing I'd like to mention before I wind up here is the amount of time that we have spent on multiomics. So multiomics is the study not just of DNA or genomics, but RNA, proteins, epigenetics. It's complicated. But the reason we're spending so much time on it, and the reason we have been able to withstand the buffeting that the multiomic space has taken in the financial markets is because of the massive opportunity that we see brewing. We believe not only will research and development evolve much more quickly, but the number of failures in new trials for drugs is going to drop precipitously. And we truly believe that the convergence among sequencing technologies, artificial intelligence, and CRISPR gene editing is going to continue curing diseases. It's already curing sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. Those revenues have already started, and we can see so many other diseases cured with this convergence of three technologies.
In conclusion, Cathie Wood's Big Ideas 2025 report provides a valuable framework for understanding the key technological trends that are shaping the future. By focusing on disruptive innovation, investors can position themselves to capitalize on the significant growth opportunities that these technologies present. However, it is important to remember that investing in innovation involves risks, and investors should carefully consider their investment objectives and risk tolerance before making any decisions. By embracing a long-term perspective, diversifying their portfolios, and conducting thorough due diligence, investors can increase their chances of success in the exciting world of disruptive innovation. These big ideas are not just technological advancements, but rather catalysts for a new era of economic growth and societal transformation. By understanding and embracing these changes, investors can not only generate financial returns, but also contribute to a more innovative and prosperous future.